OK 了。
OK 了哈。Hello everyone. My name is Jack. We're from WUNFA company. Because I come back from Qingdao, I think around 1 week before, so I must with mask to do this work. First of all, I want to introduce WUNFA as we are specialized on fuel injection and the Common Rail and test bench turbocharger since 1998. We are also the WUNFA distributor and the Horset and Garrett original turbocharger distributor in China. Also, we have our own factory for all the fuel injection spare parts and Common Rail spare parts. And also, we are the shareholder of the CIS group for the Common Rail Injector Repair MFT100 Stage 3 Taurus. We are the exclusive agent for all of the world. So now we can have a look about our product. You can see here this is normal mechanical pump used spare parts. This is a flange type plunger, Caterpillar plunger. This is H pump, Tix pump plunger. This we call like 988, 987. This is head rotor. This is a plunger. This is original WUNFA plunger. You can see this is our authorized plate. Original plunger. This is mechanical pump. This is for V pump head rotor. Also, you can see this is a V pump. You can check the standpoint here. This is goods V head rotor. Okay, the mechanical pump plunger. This is A type, AD type plunger, and also the nozzle, mechanical nozzle, and some delivery valve. Okay, we can say V pump spare parts we have. V pump, head rotor spare parts. This is the head rotor, supply pump for V pump. This is cross disc for the V pump, and all the spare parts for V pump. For inline pump also we have the plunger, nozzle, many spare parts. This is for the mechanical pump. Oh, sorry, I forget. This is for the repair kits for the mechanical pump. Now this is our first product, is fuel injection normal mechanical. Okay, the second I want to introduce it is our Common Rail spare parts. Common Rail, we can say Bush Common Rail injector, Denso Common Rail injector, and Di-Fi Common Rail injector. All this they use the control valve. Most important things, control valve. This is a Bush control valve. We have the good quality of this Bush control valve, and Di-Fi control valve. This is a Denso control valve. This is our Denso repair kits, big repair kits. You can see, if you buy this kit you just tell us the Denso Common Rail number. We can give you this kit, including one piston, one nozzle, one nozzle nut, control valve, some shims, some pin. Then you can repair the Common Rail Denso injector with this one. The cost it is very lower. This is a Denso Common Rail repair kits. For Bush, we have the control valve, and this is okay. For Di-Fi, important things. This is a Di-Fi 622B 295, and now the new model it is 625C. We have 625C also. This is for Common Rail control valve. Also, we developed the complete Common Rail injector. You can see this is for Caterpillar, this is for Bush, this is for Cummins. Completely Common Rail injector. This is also for Common Rail injector spare parts. Also, we developed the solenoid valve. You can see solenoid valve. This is a metering unit used for the Common Rail pump. This I think many people know. This is a CP4 pump, the ruler, camshaft ruler. This is for CAT 320D, the nozzle, the control valve. Another thing, it is for the HUI. HUI, it is Caterpillar C7, C9. All the spare parts we have. And also we have that part, it is for EUI. This is for HUI. EUI, it is for unit injector. Also we have the spare parts. We have completely spare parts for this Common Rail HUI. This is our second product. The third one, it is the Turbocharger series. We have complete turbocharger and cartridge and the wheel and also repair kits. This is normally we are selling the spare parts. Also, this is the three main spare parts we are selling. Now also we are selling the Common Rail test bench, mechanical test bench. This is our fourth product we are selling, Common Rail test bench. And later I want to introduce our another more important product. This is number one in the world for the Common Rail injector repair. You need some stage 3. This I feel this is the best one of the world, because if you buy the Bosch original stage 3, I think price is about $45,000. If you want to buy from Turkey, mark test, it is around $25,000. But our stage 3, it is very good price. Welcome to contact us. Later, if you are interested, we can take more discuss. And also many function. You know, for Bosch stage 3, maybe only can test the Bosch Common Rail injector. But our MFT100, you can test Bosch Common Rail injector, Denso Common Rail injector. Denso we include different generation. For Bosch, we covered about 1,700 types of different Bosch Common Rail injector. But for Denso, we covered X1, G2, G3. We cover different. You can do. Okay. Also, we have some other product. Anyway, now we will show you. Sorry, let me close. First, I want to ask my colleague to make a demo shoe to use the Common Rail Repair Master MFT100. Today we are just want to show you how to disassemble, how to assemble, how to measure the Common Rail injector for Bosch Common Rail. Today we are just doing one Bosch passenger car. I don't know whether you know Bosch Common Rail injector divide to passenger car, commercial vehicle. Passenger car means the small car. The part number for this passenger injector is 0445110. Okay, this is we call passenger car. Today we will do a demo shoot for passenger car. Next day we will do for the commercial vehicle, like number is like 0445120, 087 or 1211 like this. Later we can give you more video like the Bosch commercial vehicle, Denso G2, Denso X1, J5 and Caterpillar. Step by step we want to bring you more and more video to use. Also about the spare parts, welcome to contact us. We can give you good quality spare parts to do for future. Sorry, I forget one thing. You know, for now the latest Common Rail, now we are using for Bosch. We have some new product now. It is piezo injector. We don't have piezo injector here now, but we have the piezo injector spare parts. For example, like this, you can see this is a piezo injector control valve. Also, we have piezo and Siemens Common Rail nozzle. So in the future, if you have problem on the piezo valve, piezo injector, you can buy the piezo valve and the piezo nozzle from us. Then you can repair. We can tell you how to repair. But for piezo injector, no need the stage 3. Not confused, because piezo injector don't use adjusting shims. So now I will ask my colleague, Mr. Edwin, he do some demo shoot for you how to assemble, disassemble the injector. Okay. This is Edwin.
Hello everyone.
Edwin will do this work. See, this is MFT100. There's a tablet. We have the chargers here, and here it is. You can see this is the MFT100 tablet. This is the old version. Now the new version it is coming. Future. If you buy the new version is coming. This is the MFT100. The fixture, different fixture. We have the. You can see we have two standard. It is G11, G12. This is standard. G12, G11, and then it is from the G01 to G02 until G10. And this is a gauge. This is a gauge. Wait. Now, this Edwin bring injector for us. We will see what's the number. This is 0445 0445 110 512. Okay. Edwin will okay. So now we go to the MFT100 0445 110 512. We use the now you can see if we put the 512 inside completely, we will see for which application and also which nozzle, which control valve it is used. The number is all there. So now we can also from the right, you can see if you only need to change the valve set, click the first one. If you want to change the magnitude, you only click the second one. If you want to change the armature group, just click the third one. If you want to change the nozzle, click the fourth one. If you want to do a full assembly, click the fifth one. Okay, we can click the fourth one, the last one. So now we will ask my colleague Edwin to disassemble this injector. Disassemble this injector. Disassemble this injector. After disassemble the injector, we will use our MFT100 to repair this common injector. We supposed maybe this injector it is anyway this is a new injector. This is a good injector. We can suppose this is a bad injector. Maybe many people repaired. Some people put the wrong shims. Some people put the everything is not good. Anyway, just give to me, give to us, and then you buy the spare parts from us, or buy the original nozzle, buy the original valve from Bush or from us. Then you can repair. 把灯打开吧。Then you can repair. Now Edwin is doing a good job. He is disassemble the nozzle side. You can see the first one nozzle cap, second one the nozzle, the third one is two fixed pin, and then it is DGV, and then it is a nozzle spring shim. Yeah, this is nozzle spring shim, and then it is a nozzle spring. I want to tell you, maybe many people said for nozzle spring shim and the solenoid spring shim look same. How we know which one? Maybe it is mix, but after Edwin disassemble everything, I will tell you how to distinguish different one. So Edwin is very carefully to take out the solenoid valve. You can see solenoid valve is come out, and solenoid spring shim and the solenoid spring, it is here. This is the overlift shim. This armature plate. This is IAG shim. Absorb spring IAG shim. Now Edwin maybe need more hard work to loose this nut. This is locking nut for the control valve. Oh, a little tight. You can see this is locking nut, and then Edwin will take out the armature group. Be careful when you take out the armature group. You must take out the ball and ball seat, because this it will be a little stick with oil. Did you see the ball seat? They are together. This is armature shims. This armature shims is very important. The thickness, you must choose the correct size, otherwise after you repair maybe you cannot work very well. So now Edwin will need to take out the control valve. Take out the control valve. Yeah. Edwin is a handsome boy. He's doing good job now. Now see, this is a control valve. Okay, this is we call the Bush passenger car control valve. This passenger car control valve, the valve cap, this original valve cap. We are selling this valve cap also. You know, this valve cap can be used for maybe 200, 300 type, different injector. Just all these different injector use a different control valve, but the valve cap they use it is same. So sometimes if you find leakage too much, you just need to change the valve cap. We have many valve cap inside. We can ask Edwin to let me show you. You can see this is the original valve cap. You can see this is original valve cap. You just need to change this valve cap, then you can get the same result. After you, same to you change completely control valve. Okay, so now Edwin already disassemble every spare parts of this common injector. For example, when you are repair shop, customer give you injector like this, you must disassemble like this, and then you need to change the valve set, change the nozzle, bring everything here. But about the shims, you follow our MFT100 to do. Okay, the first step we want to see this. We will check the nozzle spring shims. Okay, before we do this, I can tell you, some customer will say how to distinguish the different size of the nozzle spring shims and the solenoid spring shims. They looks same. You can see here we have such sheet is here. About the size, it is here. For all the shim size, it is here. If you need, you can contact us. We can send you this list about the different shims, about the size. We can tell you. Also, we can tell you for different injector about the torque range. How much the torque range? We can tell you everything is here. This is for, you can see, for Korea 2, for Korea 1, for Korea. This is for passenger car. This is for Denso. We put every data is here. If anyone need, you can contact us. We can give it to you. So now we will check the nozzle spring shims. Edwin will put the injector body here. You can see now we need to check the H1. If you don't know how to do, click. There is become a big video. From this video, he will just follow the video. He will teach you how to use. Okay, so So now we see Edwin how to do. First, he will bring the gauge, power on, transfer data. This is for the gauge. Okay, now because this MFT asks you to choose G05, okay? So you follow him to use G05. This, it is G05, yes, correct. Put together and choose the standard. This is G11 standard. Go to 0. Yeah, now go to 0. Now we need to measure the depth of the injector body. H1. 17.82. Okay. See. 17.82. This is wireless. This is a wireless transfer data. Because this is our technology, we no need the wire to transfer the data. After you measure the size, just click here, then the data will automatically go to the tablet. Okay, so now we go to next. Now we need check the H2. H2, it is the length of the spring, nozzle spring. We will follow this video. Choose G05, set 0 on G12, and you click the video. The video will tell you how to do. You choose G05, go to 0 on G12, and put the spring, and then you can measure. Okay. Now Edwin already choose the G05, right? And yes. G05, G12, and then go to 0. Okay, perfect. Now we put the nozzle spring, put inside. .68. Okay, and see automatically 10.68 automatically go inside. Now Edwin want to return back the spring. Okay. Now we go to next step. We choose the G01. Now we will measure the DGV. This is DGV. This is DGV. DGV will tell you, ask you to use the G01, set 0 on G12. This is the G01. Yeah, put together. Set 0 on G12. Yes. Now we put the DGV. Now I want to tell you about the DGV, okay? DGV about, there are two sides. This is the A side. A side, there is a stage inside. There's a stage inside, okay? Later we will touch the inside stage. We check B side. B side is flat. Not, you can see, this is flat. We not check this side. We check another side. Not, this is A side. There is a stage, it is here. Stage is here. Okay, there's a stage is here. Okay, later we will measure here. See, from here? Yeah, there's a stage is here. We must use G01 to touch this step here. We can get the H3. Edwin already put inside. Yeah, it is 6.6. You can see 6.6. After you input the H3 6.6, automatically the NFK, the nozzle spring shims, is come out. Our repair master MFT100 tell you, hi guys, please choose the nozzle spring shims. The thickness, it is 1.48 or 1.49. This is the correct size. So now I ask Edwin to check what's the thickness of ours. Okay, now it's 0.
Yes.
1.48. Here it is 1.48. So it's correct. So that's why we call this is a new injector. So this is the same. So if this size it is wrong, you need to change the correct shims. All the shims is here. You can see we put all the shims is here. You can use any shims you want. So now we go to the next step. Next step is most important shims we are checking. It is armature lift shims. We call AH shims. Okay. About the armature shims, we need to install the control valve, because the armature lift it is we are connected to the control valve. So Edwin must install the control valve first, and put the everything, put the ball in the ball seat, then he can measure. Here, when you want to install the control valve, listen. You feel the sound is changed. That means the control valve it is very well seated on the injector body, so it is good. So now Edwin will do another good job. This is how to put the ball seat. Always remember, use 2 hands to do this work together. Otherwise, if you follow down, you cannot find. Wait a moment, let me see he's do good job or not. The ball seat is, yeah, you can see the ball seat, it is well located. So now we will measure. See, we will measure the H4. Choose the
G07.
G07. Set 0 on G12, G12, G07. Yeah. Yeah, go to 0. Now we will measure. You can see the size it is come here. It is 1.405. So it's go inside. Take care. Now we go to next step. Second, we will measure the armature pin. We can choose G07. You can click the video to see how to do. First, choose G07. Set 0. And then you can measure. Okay. Edwin already choose the G07. G07. Yeah, G07. Set 0. Okay. Now he will measure the armature pin. Wait, let me see how to do. Yeah. Okay. 2.61. Okay. 2.61. Come. 2.61. This is the size. 2.61. And then automatically the armature shims come out. He asks you to choose 1.25. We will see this armature shims. What's the size? You see, this is 1.3. We can choose the 1.25. This is okay. If you choose to the 1.25, then the injection quantity will be a little bigger. If you want to more power, you can choose 1.25. If you want to using a little long life, choose this 1.23. Anyway, it is okay. It is working, no problem, because it's within the Bosch standard. Now we go to next. Now we need tight, because already we choose the correct for the armature shims. Yeah, put the armature shims inside and put the armature pin, and then put the nut. It will be tight. This we will use 43 mm. Edwin will use the 43. I think it is 43. Yeah, 43. No problem. Many customers broken this pin, this armature pin. Also, me and Edwin, both of us, we broken this pin. But now you can hear the sound. This means the torque range, it is achieved the 43. Now it's okay. After you do this work, you also need to lift the pin. There's some tolerance or not. Use your hand. Yeah. If you feel like this, that is correct. Sometimes when your customer, when your workers install, after you install, you try your hand. If you cannot move, that means you install master wrong. Maybe the ball seat not straight, maybe some other problem. You need to do again. Okay, just be careful. So now we go to next. Now we will check the OH lift. It is correct or not. OH lift, it is where? Here. This is OH lift. It is correct or not correct. Now we will. Yeah, you check the video. We can look at the video. We put the armature plate. Go to 0. This is measure. After measure, we will see. Yeah, not put a spring, just to put the, you can see the spring not put, just only put this one, armature plate. Now you choose G08, choose G08, choose G08, yes, correct. Now we set 0 on G11. G11, go to 0. Yeah, correct. Good job. Now we will measure 6.45. 6.45. See? 6.45. Correct. Now we go to next. Now ask you, take out the plate out and insert the over spring and assemble original overlift shims. Put everything. You measure again. We want to check it's within the standard or not. Put the spring. Put the armature plate and put the over lift. Yes, good job. Yeah, now we can measure again. G07, G08, same, no change. No change. Go to G11. G11, go to 0. One of my friend asked me how much for this Taurus. We can tell you later, okay? Because this is we are live showing. Later we will reply you by message. Thank you very much for your interest. Now we measure again. This is 6.509. See, this is 6.509. You see, the last line, it is OH value, it is within the range. That means you no need to change this overlift shim. Normally, if this is in the white color, you no need to change. If this is red color, that means you measure 1, then you need to change. Normally, this shim is not very important, so no need to change, okay?
So go on.
Go on. So now we need to measure the IAG shims, residential air gap. IAG shims. IAG shims is this one. This one. Okay. Now Edwin will measure. So we assemble, because we just now we already choose the correct things for the overlift. Everything is correct. Now we need to put the correct shims, put everything. Choose G08 to measure. Technically. 0. Okay. .509, same to last time, because the previous step we measure it is same 6.509. Now we do again same. This is why our equipment is much more better than others. You know, this is very stable compared with other guys. Every time you measure it's different value, but ours always same. Now we need to choose the G09, set 0 on G11. We should measure the depth of the solenoid. Choose, Edwin will choose G09. Set 0 on G11. Okay. Now he will measure the solenoid. The depth of the solenoid. 5.5. 5.5. You can see this is 5.516. So automatically it chooses the IAG shims. It is 1.4, 1.04 or 1.05. I asked Edwin to check. It is almost the same. So use this WUNFA Common Rail Repair Master MFT100. You can repair the common rail injector. I think if you change the nozzle, change everything. So it is almost the same. If you choose like this 1.05, 1.048, it is okay. Ours, this is also okay. If you choose this, is also okay. So use this WUNFA Repair Master MFT100. You can, if you change the nozzle, change the control valve, change everything. I think within 14 minutes or 15 minutes you can repair one injector. Now we go ahead. Now we will check the this MFK solenoid spring shims. Okay, because IAG shims we already got. Okay, so you need to put inside IAG shims. Okay, now you can check the video. Put the IAG shims. Choose the G 多少?
05.
G05, set 0. Then you measure. Okay.
它那边写错了，应该 G10。
G10。
一个错误。
G05. Choose G10. Okay. We choose G10. Set 0. Yeah, correct. Now we measure. Now it is 10.9. See, this is a 10.9 automatically, 10.9. Okay, we go to next step. Now we want to measure the depth of the solenoid. We choose G05, set 0. You can click, see the video. Okay, choose G05, set 0, and then you measure. Follow Edwin. Choose G05. Yes. Set 0. Yes. Now you measure. Those are 22.0. You can see 22.05. Okay. Next. Now we want to measure the solenoid spring, the length. We choose G05, set 0 on G12. Yeah. And put the solenoid spring. Now you can measure the size. 11.43. 11.43. Now automatically come out the solenoid spring shims. Our MFT100 suggests you to choose 1.448. That means 1.44 or 1.45. You choose, you check this one. Yeah. 1.5. This we choose. I think it is okay. You can choose the 1.45. It is okay, no problem. If you put this, even it is okay, because the spring shims, there is a tolerance. It is a little bigger than the armature. Armature is more important. Okay. So this is okay. So now we continue. So because now you already choose the correct shims for the solenoid, so now you need to install back. Okay. Okay. So now we install. Then tight. The torque wrench we use, it is 25 Nm. 25 Nm. And we will adjust the torque wrench to 25.
Okay.
21, 23, 25 is okay. You lose again, do again. Now it's 25. And now we need to install the nozzle, because we already choose the correct. See, 25 here. We go to next. Next is we install, because we already choose the correct shims for nozzle. So now we put the nozzle shims, nozzle spring, everything inside. I put the nozzle spring shim, nozzle spring, DGV fixed pin. Another fixed pin. And then the nozzle. And then put the cover. After this, we will tie it. He already tell you MFT 49. Okay, 50 minus 1. 50 minus 1, it is 49. It's okay. This is correct. Good job. So now we need power off. Now this injector, it is rebuilt 100% perfect. I am sure it is perfect. If you use WUNFA, give to you the good quality control valve and nozzle, I'm sure it is perfect. Now you do very good job. So now finish. We can put on machine to test. Must be okay. After this, we should power off the battery of the gauge. Power off the. Yeah, this is off. Now, for the MFT100, we can check the report and other things. 0445. We put the number 0445 110 512. You can see all the data we measured. It is here. This is all the data we measured. This is all the shims we choose is here. This is which day. This is 2020, October 14, October 13. Every day you do the record, it is here. If you can check, no problem, okay? Okay, thank you for watching. We will continue next day. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. I don't mean say bye-bye.